Welcome! Today we're discussing how to install MirroFlex Lay-In Ceiling Tiles from ATI Decorative Laminates. Now, MirroFlex Lay-In Ceiling Tiles are the perfect way to enhance beauty in any room, and I can't wait to show you how easy they are to install. Let's get started. Before installation, make sure your ceiling tiles have been stored flat and allowed to acclimatize to the environment for at least 24 hours. This will make the material much easier to fabricate and install. Next, count how many tiles you will need for the installation. For panels that need to be trimmed, use the existing tile as a template by tracing the shape of the old tile. Using a marker and utility knife, score the tile to size and snap the pieces apart. You will need to use a straight edge to guide your utility knife and ensure a straight, clean cut. Be sure to always score or cut on the decorative side. Heavy-duty scissors can also be used. Heavily textured tiles such as raised panel copper can be challenging to cut. If using a heavily textured tile, consider using a bordered tile in the strike pattern and in the same color as your main tile. This will give you the cleanest installation in line with industry standards. If your ceiling has recessed lighting, sprinkler heads or other fixtures, be sure to cut an opening where the fixture will protrude through the tile. If you are using GridMax, our patented snap-on grid cover system to cover the grids on your ceiling, install those pieces prior to installing the ceiling tiles. Place the GridMax covers onto the T-bar suspension grid for a seamless look on your ceiling. Be sure to install all the 4-foot main covers first, and then install the 2-foot or 4-foot T-covers. The main covers already come with sections notched out where the T-grid crosses over it. Now you are ready to begin putting your ceiling tiles in place. Place the ceiling tiles into the suspension grid. If there are existing mineral fiber tiles, simply leave those in place and lay the new tile underneath. If you are installing lay-in ceiling tiles into a grid that does not already have existing tiles, we offer an easy-to-install hold-down clip system to help support lay-in ceiling tiles. This clip system attaches to the top of any existing grid to hold lay-in ceiling tiles in place, so they won't shift and create air leaks. This also gives you a nice smooth visual. The clip system is an option to consider if there are no existing tiles in place. Once your grid covers and tiles are in place, your project is complete. Let's take a look at the finished product. For more information on these and other MirroFlex products, please call ATI Customer Service at 800-849-1320 or visit us at atilaminates.com. See you next time.